guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, you guys voted on Instagram. Let's see what the poll is at right now. It is at 30-70. So 30% of you guys said you want me to do a full face of expensive makeup, which is coming eventually. Excuse me, ma'am. Rude. Rude. No. And then 70% of you said you wanted me to do a TikTok recipe or DIY. So today we are doing a TikTok video. As you can tell, I'm in the kitchen. So I am going to pull up the TikTok that I'm going to be following. Today we're going to be making these like chocolate chip cookies that I've been seeing on TikTok. They're like, not a lot of recipes. They're made with peanut butter. So we're going to try them. Do not mind the background because you're going to hear Diamond. You are, because I'm in my kitchen and not in my room. So we're gonna try these out. I saw Casey Holmes do these. She's a YouTuber. She has a TikTok as well. I saw her do it. If you're new here, all my social medias, or if you're not new here and you haven't noticed, all my social medias are linked in the description bar down below. Follow my Instagram, because as you can tell, I just posted polls. You could also follow me on Twitter and Snapchat if you want. It's all listed down there. So without further ado, let's get right on into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350. So what we need is brown sugar, peanut butter, brown sugar, peanut butter. So let's go get the brown sugar. I'm just gonna carry you guys with me. I am getting the brown sugar out of this little turny thingy. I think it's this one. Brown sugar. Okay, and now we need some peanut butter. Peanut butter, peanut butter. Peanut butter. Okay, we need one large egg. Oh, and obviously I washed my hands before. I just had to rewash them because I touched meat. So we need an egg. Leg. We then need to finish washing this to figure out what we need. And baking soda. Give me a second. Baking soda. Do not grab baking powder. Don't do it. And chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet. That's what we use. So now I need to see what measurements I need. Should have wrote this down. So we have, oh geez, we have a bowl. We have our egg, brown sugar, baking soda, chocolate chips, and our peanut butter. I am going to need a spoon and a butter knife as well. Spoon, butter knife. So the first ingredient we put in, I don't know how this is gonna work, but apparently it's gonna work, is the brown sugar. We need a cup of it. Now brown sugar, you gotta pack it in if you don't know this already. You gotta pack it. That's what I'm doing over here. So what you do is you put it in. We're gonna break ours up a little bit. Brown sugar. And it said, I gotta keep watching this over and over again. I should have wrote this down. Slow down, woman. 1 cup of peanut butter. We got the spoon for. We gotta stir it. The peanut butter we use is Jif. It's natural, it's creamy. And also, this is my dad's. I use crunchy. We are stealing his peanut butter. And my dogs heard the peanut butter container. You don't believe me? Yeah. No, you girls can wait. I'll let you lick the spoon when I am done. All right, this is our 1 cup peanut butter. We are going to scoop it in here now. It's a lot of peanut butter. I'm just following the recipe. If you can't tell, I am very skeptical with these cookies. I think they're basically just gonna be peanut butter cookies. I'll try to get most of it off and put it on here. I am gonna be nice. I'm gonna let my dogs lick the rest of the spoon, and then I'm getting rid of the spoon. Also, this peanut butter is safe for them to eat, so do not come for me in the comments. But it's safe for them. We double check everything. They love peanut butter. So we're done with the peanut butter. Next thing we're doing is our 1 egg. This is a large egg. That is our oven being done. You gotta wash your hands after you touch the egg. All right, and now we have our tablespoon of baking soda, but I wanna double check.
1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of
Teaspoon. I have a teaspoon. I do have a teaspoon. Do not worry. This is a baking soda. This is why we got this guy. We're gonna put it over our whatever's left of our peanut butter. What I like to do is I like to get it in my thing, and it's a bunch of it. And then I like to take it and like chop it, kind of, and then scoop it. So we got a nice thing of baking soda. I think that's to help it rise. I got baking powder. I don't remember. We got our half a cup, and we're gonna add some chocolate chips. We may add a little bit more because, like, why not? Let's make it chocolatey. You know, let's make it with chocolate chips. Chocolate chips, these are the Hershey's Kitchens ones. Let me check the expiration date on these because these have been open. We got a new bag that has not been open. Same chocolate chips. They just haven't been opened. We're gonna do a half cup. Diamond, honey, you can't have these. Half a cup. So this is what our mixture looks like. I'm just gonna take this guy, it's a spatula. We're gonna stir it. I could have used the mixer for this. That could have worked. Just gonna break up the chunks of brown sugar. I will show you what we're working with. This right here is the batter. It doesn't look bad. I don't know. Okay. These are done. So I need a cookie scooper. Medium-sized cookie scoop, and I'm gonna need a baking sheet. Got my cookie sheet. We are gonna scoop them on. I'll show you what they look like when they are done being scooped. What I do is I fill up the rim, and we're gonna do 3, then 2, then 3. This is how I do cookies, whether it's this recipe, other cookies. This is how I do my cookie scooping. I'm kind of excited to try these. I told my boyfriend, he's at work today. I told him that I was making these, and he was a little excited. I said I was trying a new TikTok recipe, so he votes on all of my Instagram polls that I post for videos, and he voted for the TikTok one because he wants these cookies. So it looks like I will need another tray. So 1 tray for me, because how I like to do my cookies, is 1, 2, 3, 8 cookies on 1 tray. That's not bad. So if this makes another 8, that's 16 cookies, but we will see. Miss Diamond, I'm gonna need you to not. All right, so I got 2 extra on here. So that's 8 and 8, 16, 17, 18. This has made 18 cookies. It says to put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, so I gotta move some racks around because I'm able to fit more, and I will be right back. So this is what they are looking like. So we put them in the oven for 8 minutes, if I put the timer on. I swear I did. We have them in there for 8 minutes. I will show you what they look like. Let me put the time or the light on. So what they looking like. We are gonna see what they look like. Hopefully they're good. So, in the meantime, I'll see you guys when they are done cooking or baking. I'm super excited. We have 2 left on here that still need to be cooked, but yeah. So this is what they are looking like. I patted them down a little bit only because they are still like kind of super gooey on the inside, and when I do like that though, I do also want them to actually be baked on the inside but not too much on the bottom. So we're gonna see how they just look or feel when they actually like harden and stuff, because you can see in this one, like right there, it's still like super gooey. But we have the other batch going in right now for 8 minutes, and then I will let you guys know what happens if I need to put them in the oven or not. This is what they look like. They look really good. My mom already ate one and she said they were good, so I'm about to try half of one and let you know what it is like. But I cooked them personally for 10 minutes. And then what I did is I flattened them a little bit after they did so that the rest of the insides would cook, because they puff up so much from the baking soda. So I'm gonna grab the cookie one that I just touched and we're going to just break it open a little bit. This is what it looks like on the inside, so we're gonna try it. Oh my goodness. This is okay. This is way better than the DIY jeans. Oh, really good. Those are so good. I would suggest you try them out. I don't know who started this. I just know I saw it from Casey Holmes. I'll have it linked in the description bar down below, the TikTok that I watched, to get this. Really easy. You literally just need a bowl and a couple cups, like measuring cups, and that's literally it. This was so good. I'm actually very shocked. I'm actually very excited as well, because this probably become a regular recipe that I do. Just have to double the recipe to make more cookies. But other than that, it was a success. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like seeing me do TikTok videos or trying recipes or DIYs, let me know in the comment section down below which video you want me to do next, or which TikTok trend you want me to do next. I will for sure do it. And hit that subscribe button and join the fam if you would love to. I would love to have you guys. It's been a fun time with you guys. Our goal is to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I think we can hit it. We're at 1,830, which is so insane. Thank you guys for subscribing, and thank you guys for being here for along for the journey. Give this video a big thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.